How to deposit a check on GO2bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Snap, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can deposit a check on GO2bank. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now here I'm on the official help page of GO2bank, so here I'll just be guiding you through if you wanna easy cash check. So what you want to do is, in order to cash a check in the app, you want to simply first, as you can see here, log into the GO2bank app, and then you want to tap on move money option that you'll find on your home screen. Once you do so, you want to select the option that is cash a check option. Then you want to follow the simple instructions to take pictures of your check and enter your check amount and other necessary details. Then you want to choose when you would like the money in your account. Once you do so, you wanna enter GO2 get 5 to receive your one-time $5 credit and tap apply, as you can see on the screen. And once you do so, you are done. This is how you can cash a check on GO2bank or GO2bank. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.